Hello everyone, welcome to BioBrainz. Today we are going to talk about something very important that many life science students are missing out on GAT-B 2026. If you are from a B.Sc Biotechnology or any life science background, this video might actually change your career direction. So make sure you watch till the end. The biggest issue is not difficulty, it's lack of awareness. Many students simply do not know that an exam like GAT-B even exists. Because of this, students miss out on top institutions and good career opportunities, even though they are fully capable of cracking it. What is GAT-B? GAT-B stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Biotechnology. It is a national level entrance exam conducted by NTA. Through this exam, you can get admission into DBT-supported MSc Biotechnology programs in top universities or institutions across India. Why students ignore it? Many students assume that this exam is only for toppers or people with very strong backgrounds. But most students ignore this exam simply because nobody guided them properly during their college. Who can write GAT-B? If you are a B.Sc Biotechnology or life science student, you are eligible for this exam. In your final year right now, you can still apply and prepare for GAT-B. Are you eligible? Just ask yourself a few questions. Do you have a biology or life science background? If yes, and you are either in your final year or already graduated, then you are most likely eligible for this exam. One important thing that many students don't know is that you can actually get a stipend. In DBT supported institutions, you may get around 5,000 per month, which can help you manage your basic academic expenses. Through GAT-B, you can enter top institutions and build a strong foundation in biotechnology. It opens door to career in research, pharma companies, and the biotech industry. The exam is completely MCQ based and divided into two sections. One section is generally aptitude, which will be based on your class 12, and other focuses on your life science subjects. Marking scheme. There's positive marking for correct answers and negative marking for wrong answers. This will differ with section A and B. So you need to be careful, and accuracy is more important than attending all questions. The cutoff usually ranges around 120 to 160 marks for general category, but it changes every year. So instead of worrying about cutoff, focus on improving your performance and understanding concepts. GAT-B is not extremely tough. It is moderate and mostly based on your graduation level subjects. If your basics are clear, you can definitely handle the exam. Most students have similar doubts, like they don't know the syllabus or feel they started too late. Some also think that since they are not from biotechnology, they cannot crack it. The reality is, the syllabus is already part of your graduation subjects. Even if you start late, with proper planning and strategy, you can still do well in the exam. Common mistakes. Many students make mistakes like studying without a plan or ignoring previous year questions. They also don't revise properly, which affect their performance in the exam. How to start preparation. Start by understanding the syllabus clearly and focus on building strong basic concepts. Then move to MCQs. Solve previous year papers and revise regularly. Can you crack it? Yes, absolutely. You don't need to be a topper to crack GAT-B. Consistency and the right strategy matter much more than intelligence. For top institutions, you need a higher rank, but even a moderate rank can get you into a good colleges. So don't think that only top rankers succeed. Many students get greater opportunities. After clearing GAT-B, you can pursue MSc Biotechnology in reputed institutions. This can further lead to research, PhD, and career in biotech and pharma industries. If you don't even try, you might never know your true potential. Many students later regret not attempting GAT-B when they had the chance. The truth is, you are already more prepared than you think. Your graduation has already covered most of the important topics. You just need direction. This is where BioBrainz comes in. We help students prepare for GAT-B in a simple, unstructured way. Our focus is to make concepts clear and guide you step by step. In our program, you will get structured syllabus coverage, MCQ practice, and previous year question analysis. We also provide doubt support and exam strategies to help you improve. Now you have a doubt that why BioBrains? We simplify difficult concepts and focus on topics that actually help you score. Our goal is to help you avoid common mistakes and prepare in a smart way. GAT-B is a real and achievable opportunity for life science students. Don't miss it just because you were not aware earlier. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to BioBrains. Follow us more updates, guidance, and preparation strategies for GAT-B 2026.